We scoured the convention center here in Taipei for the best and most head-turning PC mods and gathered them for you. Let's jump in. Horrified by the implications of humans and AI becoming intertwined, then this case mod, which the creator calls NextUnit, won't keep you awake at night at all. Not that far from that Android, while we were hunting for the best mods, we came across this full system by AKMod, designed into the shape of a bow and arrow. To say this would be one of the best mods we saw wouldn't be a bit of a stretch. Knock knock, anybody home? Looks like an NVIDIA GeForce RTX card. This mod that we saw at the Thermaltake booth featured one of the company's The Tower 600 cases covered in wood. This bold mod is an ode to the game Black Myth Wukong and is also based on Thermaltake's The Tower 600 chassis. This wild build is based on the GeForce RTX 4070 Ti supercard that looks like it's been buried in an ancient tomb. This freestanding robot mod that we saw at the Asus ROG booth seems like it has a lot of personality, but it's going through some big mood swings. We're not really sure if it's angry with us or loves us. This mod, also built into Thermaltake's The Tower 600 case, is big, bold, and very, very red. Here's another mod based on the same Thermaltake chassis. This one blew away the middle of the case and just kept the end in favor of some big liquid cooling tubing and a fun, slanted design. Is this an emergency generator or a PC? This compact PC mod wouldn't be out of place on a construction site, and the hand grips make it easy to pick up and go. This PC looks like a complicated puzzle. It's actually built into a prototype PC case from chassis maker Azza. Azza still isn't sure exactly what they'll name it. They said maybe Azza Puzzle or Azza Interlock, but whatever they decide to name it, I'll still be staring at it looking confused. This eye-catching mod has some of its sleek, high-end style in common with the iconic Lamborghini Gallardo. It's in the shape of the logo of Gallardo, a graphics card brand, and its outer flaps automatically extend and close. This mod depicts everyone's favorite cat companion from the ever-popular Monster Hunter games, with a GPU-laden sword held high. There's a lot going on here, but all we can think is where this thing lives when it's not on the show floor like this. You might not be getting the 3D effect here, you kind of have to see it in person, but this dancing lady looks like a hologram suspended forever inside this metal case. Will somebody let her out? This dainty mod is looking pretty in pink, with a full PC built into a tea house. You can even spot some macarons waiting inside. The 3XS custom Hyperion fluid mod made us want an orange Fanta. We're pretty sure the Pharaohs didn't have RGB lighting, but if they did, the pyramids might have looked something like this mod from WMP Customized. Check out that nifty info panel up front. This mod gives a whole new meaning to the words ray tracing. This Manta Ray is one of the most interesting mods we saw at the show, with wings that automatically go up and down. This guy, meanwhile, looks like he's in charge. With its swiveling head, glowing eyes, and all-black paint job, this is an imposing Gundam-like mod from WMP. Let's hope he doesn't get together with that android from earlier. This is another mod from WMP, and it's less a creative mod than an ice house or chimney for some liquid nitrogen cooling. There's a PC in there under all that snow and fog. Feeling thirsty? The most refreshing PC mod we saw dispenses Coke, beer, soju, and red wine on demand. It's as big as a vending machine, and its motherboard is still front and center above the drink selection. This clever mod suspends its friendly egg-shaped hero, who is the mascot for memory company Apacer, in midair. But don't let that overshadow the serious overclocking potential inside. Apacer claims that the memory used in the actual PC here can reach up to 8,000 megatransfers per second. This is another Apacer mod. This lunar lander-shaped case puts its transparent energy shields up to protect the motherboard and other components sitting in the center. This mod is doubling down on the open air concept, mounting a couple of entire PCs to a pair of walls in an exploded PC design. It's pretty impressive, with a load of hard piping for liquid cooling. Cooler Master built this liquid cooling dream system into its new MasterFrame 360 panoramic case, which delivers sweeping views of the entire glowing interior from almost every angle. A collaboration from Cooler Master with modder AKMod and graffiti artist Bounce, this build focuses on a large figurine with an animated display as his backdrop. Pump up the volume with this final Cooler Master collab, which was blasting music through its many speakers and proudly displaying the cooling company's logo front and center. Those were the best, coolest, and wildest case mods from Computex 2025. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out PCMag for more cool mods, PC builder gear, and the best tech we saw on the show floor.